Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to recreate any trending dance using AI in just a few minutes. Yes, no, it's no dancing skills needed, just your photo and a simple tool that called PixVerse. So first just open your PixVerse. You can use it either on the web or by downloading the app on your phone like this. And when you're in, just go ahead and log into your account. And don't worry about the credits. PixVerse actually give you a free daily credit, so you can try this without paying anything at the start. And then now on this main dashboard, just tap on the motions control, this menu, just tap on it. This is the feature we're going to use to recreate the dance. And then next, just upload the photo on here on here. And here's an important tip: make sure you choose the right type of photo based on the video that you want to recreate. Like if the dance video shows a full body movement, then upload a full body photo. And if it's more focused on upper body or half body movement, then use a half body photo. This is will helps the AI generate a much more accurate and natural looking results. So just upload your photo. For example, I want to choose this one. And then after that, just upload the TikTok dance video or just upload the another dance video that you want to recreate. This will act as the motions reference for the AI. And then next, just simply tap at the create, just hit create, and the process will take a few moments, and it will use the credits depending on the complexity of the motions and the durations. In here, it will take 60 credits, and so just simply tap on create and then just wait for the moment, and then go to mine, and then in here just wait until your video is ready. And okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's just take a look. Let's just look the results. Okay, like this, I think the results, it looks so incredible. The AI will now map your photo into the dance movement, and it's really making it look like you're actually performing the viral TikTok choreography, even if you have never danced before in your life. The result, it looks so natural and realistic like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily recreate viral dance trend using PixVerse AI without needing any dance skill. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.